Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my YouTube family, my viewers. As promised, today I will treat you to another simple, healthy, and delicious dish: steamed water spinach with cabbage, dressed with peanut butter sauce. This is definitely a vegetarian delight. I will also show you how to prepare the peanut butter sauce. So here I'm in front of the water spinach raised bed, and you have seen my previous video where I show and explain that this is one of my fastest growing plant. Within 3 weeks you can harvest, and it keeps on giving. So we're gonna do some harvest and then we're gonna do the cooking. Keep watching. And this is my fastest growing plant. People, look at this. Last week I harvest, and now again it's full. People start to run. So if you cut above the node, it will grow again. Okay, I think that this is enough. It's a little treat I'm gonna give you. So this will be enough. So let's head to the kitchen. Okay? Okay, so now we're gonna clean up the water spinach, take off the dead leaves, take off some of these running leaves. I don't want those. These, no, I don't want those. And then we're gonna clean it, wash it, and then we continue the cooking. I use salt to wash my vegetables. Salt helps to remove any visible dirt, debris or pesticides from the surface of the vegetables. It can help eliminate bacteria, fungi, and other harmful microorganisms. So here I'm massaging the salt into the vegetables so it can dissolve the dirt and kill the microorganism. And then I will let it soak for at least 2 to 3 minutes so it can do its work. Okay? Now it's time to cut the cabbage. Cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Do not cut it too big, but really small bite-sized pieces. So first I'm gonna cut the core or the stem. That is a part that we don't use for cooking. So here I'm cutting out the core. And then I'm gonna cut this cabbage in bite-sized pieces. And there we go. So don't forget to wash the cabbage. Take off all the dirt that's possibly in it. Now in the beginning I mentioned that it's steamed cabbage, but it's actually boiled cabbage. I didn't do the steam, so I'm gonna bring a pot of water to a boil. So I'm now going to bring this pot of water to a boil, and then when it starts to boil, I will drop in the cabbage, add some salt to the water to bring up the flavor of the vegetables. So after soaking the water spinach for 5 minutes, I give them an extra rinse. As you can see, I've cut the water spinach in large chunks because they will shrink when added to the boiling water. Not necessary to cut them too small. Once the water reaches a boil, add the cabbage and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until it becomes tender. Don't let it boil too soft. You want a little crispness in it. Now it's time to make the peanut butter sauce. The best peanut butter to use is the extra crunchy peanut butter. Simple ingredients are sugar, salt, soy sauce, sweet and salt ketchup mayonnaise sauce, and pepper, which is optional. So the first ingredient is the sugar. You add some sugar and then you add some salt. I like to burn the sugar a little bit, give it that smoky flavor. You don't have to leave it too long, just give it a little smoky flavor. That's why I burn it. It's optional actually. Then I add the peanut butter, 2 spoons of peanut butter. Now add some water and keep stirring. Mix well until smooth. If the sauce is too thick, add more water. On this dish, I like the sauce to be a little thick. Keep stirring and keep adding water because the peanut butter will make the sauce thick. So keep stirring until your preferred thickness. So here I add some ketchup mayonnaise, sweet and salty, and then I add some soy sauce, which will give it an extra special flavor. And then you keep stirring, taste. I add some pepper, which is optional, but I like it spicy, and that's all it takes. And there it is, a peanut butter sauce. So now it's sharing time. Let's layer the food. You add the cabbage, and then you add the water spinach, the Kang Kong. And then you add the peanut butter sauce on top of it. Oh, this smooth spoon is too small. Let me get a bigger one. And there we go. And that's all that this dish takes. Simple, delicious. Water spinach Kang Kong with cabbage dressed with peanut butter sauce. And there it is. Wow. There it is. Ready to be served. Enjoy, my viewers. Try it and leave a comment. You can actually do it with other vegetables as well. Super delicious. It's super delicious, people. This is a vegetarian delight. Pure organic vegetable, peanut butter sauce. Very nice. So, try to plant this in your garden. Fastest growing plant, and it keeps on giving. Don't forget, please share, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay? Bye.